What the hell is going on out here? What the hell?
What up, y'all? We back again. This is Top Things. She tried to pop the champagne, but ended up giving herself and the car behind her a fizzy new paint job. Who knew a celebration could turn into a car wash?
God. Damn. Sister.
Put a finger down for everyone you think your child has done. Put a finger down if you think that your child has kissed a boy.
She gave that bug a stick-beating audition, but it decided to skip the part and go straight for the lead role in her personal horror movie.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hey. I'm sorry. Hey. I'm sorry. Down, baby.
Talk about a hole-in-one. He just didn't expect it to be his own head.
Paul first time at Topgolf.
What? He got that on film. Oh!
Você é muito burro, por que você não bloqueou? Eu tentei.
Guys, I'm at the beach right now, and I think there's a shark circling me.
I'll offer you $25 million for 5% equity in our company.
When she said take a bite, he heard devour the entire burger. Looks like sharing isn't always caring when it comes to food. When you are in beef with your sister, so you vacuum all her candy. When your girls get along a little bit too well.
I want to go home.
You tell me.
죄송합니다. 여자친구 여기. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다.
POV. Your boyfriend tries to scare you coming home and scares a random guy in your apartment complex.
Oh, sorry, I was trying to skip.
For this.
If you were my dad, would you let me have a sleepover with my boyfriend?
Hell no.
He went for a knockout punch, but ended up knocking out everyone's ability to breathe from laughing. Looks like his food had a little too much airtime before making its grand entrance on the floor.
just gonna ask you a quick question.
Who knew popping champagne came with a free hat removal service?
Nothing will prepare you for what you're about to see.
Wow. I no longer hate Mondays. I know I'm growing. I hate the whole week.
She was just trying to give the tortoise a hand, but ended up in a full-on turtle tumble.
Oh, buddy.
Just doing the Lord's work out here. What's that?
Oh my God, you okay?
Boss, sanilor gaura de la pantalon pentru asta e făcută. Avem contract cu McDonald's.
When your bro with Down syndrome unexpectedly roasts you.
Go away, you Rolando. How you doing?
I was sorry. Your breath stinks. I haven't brushed my teeth in days. Oh my. I brush my teeth every morning and night. I'm not lying.
His legs were having their own test of endurance. Seems like they thought the driving exam was a full body workout.
冇手隻嘅，扭嚟嚟做乜嘢隻嘅？唉，冇扭唔死隻嘅得嘛，伙計。
Oh my God, babe. Freaking Scooby-Doo ass sandwich, you guys.
Attenzione, fragile, attenzione. Attenzione, fragile, attenzione.
Evviva, raga! Evviva, raga!
He tried to get a close-up view of the chimney, but it looks like the chimney had other plans. Talk about a head-first approach to home inspection.
No, God! No, God, please!
Oh my God. Is this what you were talking about? Because it was moving a second.
Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name is shine. A different city every night.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's all right. That's good. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, all right. Okay, that's good. That's good. It's enough slicing.
Cops can do some pretty strange things when they're hanging out together, especially when there isn't enough room for all of them to sit in the front feet of their police car.
I got out my cup. Open this door. Hey, give me some money. Help! Help! Don't take me to jail. Oh, don't take me to jail. Take me to get some meat.
That's not going anywhere, bitch. You fucking bitch.
She's taken forking around to a whole new level. Who knew the key to stealing food was just a really, really long fork?
tampoco dijo Rodrigo, no dijo. Dijo Jose, estoy muy ocupado. Está bien, dijo Ruby, las de Buhari lo yo sola. Y así lo dijo.
Some folks treat swallowing pills like it's a high-stakes action scene, complete with dramatic music and deep breaths. It's just a pill, not a plot twist.
Come on.
Okay, one more. Oh, God.
Why? Just do it. You got it?
Okay, we're gonna get started. If it hurts and you need me to stop, just raise your hand and we can stop right away, okay? Okay, let's get to it. Open.
Her first day at the gym, and she's already discovered the ultimate strength test, trying to lift her confidence off the bench.
Under the sea.
Mommy.
That's not mummy. That's not mummy.
Mommy.
No.
No.
No. That's blobfish.
Mommy.
No.
No.
No, I'm thinking about something. I'm getting mad about. I'm really getting mad about what I'm thinking about.
What you think about?
It ain't this. It ain't this, but I'm getting mad. Like, you know, you think about stuff, it just makes you mad.
She asked her husband to stay out the way while she filmed a room tour, and he failed it successfully.
Okay, you ready? No, not really. You ready? Okay. All right. Okay. Don't move. Hold it. Good job. One more. Do you want one more? Okay, hold on. Let me put this. Hold on, you got.
I thought I was looking good, right? I got me little Gojo glasses or whatever. I told my cousin, yo, look. And she goes, oh my God, you look familiar. And I'm like, yeah, you know. She goes, yeah, you look like the blind mice from Shrek. And then I'm like, that's crazy. And then she pulled up a picture and showed it to me as if it wasn't enough.
She brought the party to the wrong door. Turns out her dance moves were a surprise performance for the neighbors.
What's going on?
I'm so sorry, wrong house.
That's the wrong address.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You can keep dancing. It's fine.
I'm so sorry.
You're all good. You're all good.
You gotta say water.
Water.
Now.
Now.
Look, bro. You walk up to it. You gotta walk up to it. You gotta say, Daddy, please. How'd you do that?
POV. Your dad puts you to bed for once and ends up falling asleep before you, so you are just laying in your bed wondering what you have done to deserve listening him snore like a monster.
Think of yours. No.
He said he was putting the baby to sleep.
What happened? No, it's over here.
Proof that age and wisdom make for the best gym buddies. Watch out, punching bag. These ladies mean business.
Like what you see? You're gonna love what we have next. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys again on the next one.